Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a happy mail from, well, the Dolls Rescue Channel via Deron. And I also have a Christmas card. This took a long time to come. He had ordered it and told me it was ordered, and then it didn't come and didn't come and didn't come, and then when it did come, it was like, oh, what is that?
Forgot what we got.
This is what Deron bought for me. Oh, look, it's got some kind of, this probably says a whole bunch of stuff about poisonous and not good for kids and blah, 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 blah.
And a little mushed.
Yep. Every month, Dorie's Dollies and I, on the 3rd of each month, do a challenge that we put out to the doll community for Amaya Rain. Is that better if I tilt her back?
No, she's good.
It's very dark out here, I think, and windy. Oh my God, it is so windy. So if you have an Amaya Rain, and even if you don't, you can use any rainbow high doll or shadow high doll, and we just do general challenges, you know, like we give you a word or a color or whatever, and you can join in with us. We would love that. I'm sorry, I'm distracted here. I'm kind of talking in a circle. Look how cute she is. I love that outfit. That is adorable. I wish camera were picking it up a little brighter. This is the one you chalk her hair. I don't see myself doing that. You never know with me, though. But she also has the pink, purple, blue. She has all the colors in her hair in the front. She's just a gorgeous doll. Thank you very much. And I'm excited to have her. I like all the Amaya Rains, and I would collect them anyway. If you don't have a rainbow high doll, oh, she's not articulated. I did not realize that till this minute. If you have not bought a rainbow high doll, they are absolutely made well, beautiful dolls, and a great size. I like them. They're about 10 inches, and just beautiful dolls. This is from Erica at Little Ohana Nursery, and I always appreciate a Christmas card. Joy, that was my dog's name. My constant companion, my little Cocker Spaniel. Merry Christmas from Erica at Little Ohana. Thank you very much. Thank you, Deron. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Merry Christmas, beautiful.
Thank you.